Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. Is my secret safe? Safe with just you and me.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Bianca's Glam Room, where we slay every day, period. I'm super excited to jump into today's look. What is it giving, y'all? Let me know in the comment section what this look is giving today. Is this giving something that you would do at home? If so, keep watching. I literally eliminated some of my products. I didn't use that much makeup and it still came out super flawless. So yes, I'm so excited for you guys to learn this look so that you guys can do this at home. I am coming out with something special for you guys. I'm so excited. I can't wait for you guys to see. It's going to really help you do your own makeup. It's going to help you color match. It's going to give you step by step on exactly how to do your makeup. It's going to help you be able to choose what concealers go with your skin tone, what your undertones are. It's going to help you determine your skin complexion if you don't know. It's going to help you determine if you are a dry combination or oily, and so much more. Literally, it touch bases on eyeshadow. I know a lot of people struggle with eyeshadow, so this is going to be perfect for you guys. I cannot wait for you guys to see. So stay tuned and stay locked in on my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below if you are liking the video so far. Go ahead and hit that bell so that you guys can be notified every single time I drop a new video. You're literally going to be the first to know. So hit that bell. And yeah, let's just jump straight into today's look. Okay, so now that I've blended out my foundation, I'm going to go in with concealer. So for concealer today, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place in the number 12 and the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the color Tan Neutral. So I'm going to mix these two together to get my concealer shade. So the Juvia's Place is a little bit kind of like my skin complexion, and then the e.l.f. Camo is about like 1 to 2 shades lighter than my complexion. So I'm going to place this right underneath my eyes so we can tame these little bags, child, because we trying to look refreshed. So I'm gonna put a little bit on top of my lip, the tiniest bit of blush. I always use the Rare Beauty in the shade Happy. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with my Mario Badescu spray, and I'm spraying this all over. If you're new, welcome. Y'all, welcome everybody in the comments. You will be the first to know every single time I drop, so yeah. Definitely lock in with your girl. So I'm just blending out my blush with this. This is a dupe brush, y'all. So y'all know these are like the Real Technique brushes, but I end up buying some dupe brushes from Shein, which literally work the exact same. So I can't tell you which one this is in the Real Technique brand, but this is how it looks. Y'all, I am kind of in a hurry. I have to work today, so I'm trying to get this out the way before I have to work, which is at 1 o'clock, and it is now about to be 11 o'clock. It's 10:55. But I do know one thing. I want to go out of town sometime soon, because I have not been on vacation, y'all, in a long time. And I don't like that for me. Okay, so now I'm going to set using my Beauty Puff. And I like to go straight in, right underneath my eyes, where I crease the most, and set that concealer. And I like to press this powder in first before going back in to bake. Baking is just letting the powder sit on your face, letting it absorb into the skin. And y'all know I personally like to be matte because I just prefer the look. Even though I am dry, I still prefer to be matte. So now I'm going to set my cheeks where I would have put cream contour with my Hulu Benefit in the color Caramel, and I'm just apply this to my cheek area. And so you don't always have to use a cream. You can go straight in with the powder if that is your preference. If you're trying to use, you know, like less makeup. I'm gonna sit it underneath my jawline. And on my forehead. Now I'm gonna go back in with more of my Laura Mercier, and I'm going to bake just for a little bit, not too long. And this is not going to sit too long because I don't want to look cakey. My face will really dry up really bad. So I have to pay attention to how long I keep this on. So now I'm going to set my brows. So now I'm going to take my MAC All Over Face Powder in the color Dark. This is the Mineralized Skin Finish. And I'm going to set my face. And I'm going to apply this all over my face and kind of dust off that translucent powder. And I definitely like to go in between where one product meets the other. So you know how I put concealer here and powder and then contour at the top. I like to go right in the middle to blur out any fine lines. And apply a little bit on my neck as well by me putting foundation there. Okay, so now I'm about to line my lips. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of clear gloss on my lips. And this is my lip combo for today. So now I can go ahead and dust off this powder underneath my eyes. And I'm gonna press it in and dust at the same time. I do want to give my nose a little contour. And just kind of bring it over onto my eyelid a little. So I think I am pretty much done. I'm about to set my face. I'm gonna set my face with my I always say that, with my Morphe. I'm gonna set my face with my Morphe continuous setting spray. I'm gonna spray this all over. Love this stuff down. No shade. No shade to the other setting sprays, but that's literally my favorite. I do want to try the Charlotte Tilbury. I hear a lot of good things about that brand, so I think I'm going to try them out. I did say I wanted to try out the One Size 2, the waterproof setting spray. It's giving skin natural everyday beat. So yeah, this is the look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. It was super fast. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about this look. Is it giving natural? Is it giving skin light? Is it giving girl that's still too much for me? I love this so much. This is literally like a beat and go type of thing. Like, it's super quick, but it's still so pretty. And I love it. So yes guys, I have to hurry up and get ready. I do want to go and see my sister today. She is in the hospital. I think she goes home today, but she had her baby on the 29th. So I do want to go and see my niece today. So I'm about to get ready, and I think I'm gonna go and do that first. I have to also go and buy some lashes for my clients today. So yeah, I got a busy day, and I plan to film like most of the day. So yeah, I have to run and get ready guys, so that I can be out of here on time. This concludes today's video. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and share this video. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about this look. Like this video. Also hit that bell so that you guys can be notified every single time I post a new video. You guys need to be the first ones here. So yeah, I cannot wait for you guys to try this look at home yourself, so that you guys can come back and let me know how you did. I am going to miss you guys so much, but I'll be back soon with another video, so don't go nowhere. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey besties, so today I want to let you guys in on a little secret. I have something coming out for you guys that I'm super excited to announce. So without further ado, I am working on a makeup ebook for you guys. I'm super excited to really finally bring this to the world, y'all. I've been working on this for so long, and that's just because like I'm a perfectionist, and it's like if it's not the way that I want it to be, then it's a no. And we're gonna keep going, keep trying until it's to my liking, and I feel like I'm there, and I'm super excited to show you guys. Also has a product list, so many brands that you can choose from, so many different products. Like the product list itself, y'all, fire, and it's super long. So yes, you have a variety of products to choose from. It is going to be digital, so you can literally take it wherever you are, so that's a good thing. This ebook, guys, is super beneficial. I've purchased a few ebooks before, and it's nothing like the one that I'm putting out, because most, I'm not gonna say all, but some makeup artists, when they drop ebooks, they don't put every single thing in there. They leave out like the most important parts where you have to keep going to search for more. This ebook has literally everything that you need and more inside. I'm giving you all of my secrets. I'm not holding back no type of information, because I want you guys to see really good results. So when it drops, I need all of my subscribers, everybody on here that supports me, to go and get that book, y'all. As I'm talking about something, it's going to show you exactly what I'm talking about, where to place certain products, exactly how to blend, where to blend, what products to use, what brushes to use, what products may be better for your skin type. You'll learn your skin type if you don't already know what that is. So yeah, it's super beneficial, guys, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. So when it drops, I I am going to post it on Instagram, so if you do not follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me now at prettygirlbianca_. Go ahead and follow me so that you guys can be updated on the new release I'm super excited about. So yes, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys again soon in my next video. Bye. So the book is downloadable, so it permits you to access the information whenever you need to. The book also allows you to really understand placement, because most people don't know or may not think that placement is important, but it is to really enhance your features. You have to know where to place certain products to give you that full effect that you're going for. So that's in this book and so much more, guys. So definitely check this book out when it drops. I cannot wait to share this with you all, and definitely I'm so open to feedback. I want you guys to let me know once you purchase it how you like it and how it is effective for you.